Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll be showing you how to add token to your Phantom wallet. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Phantom wallet. If you are using the desktop version, click on the Phantom icon in your browser extensions. For mobile users, simply tap the Phantom wallet app on your device. Next, you will need to unlock your wallet, enter your password or use your biometric login if you have that enabled. Once you are inside your wallet, go to the settings. To do this, scroll down and click on Manage Token List. Now, you will see a list of tokens that are available to be added to your wallet. If the token you are looking for is listed here, simply toggle the switch next to it to add to your wallet. But what if your token isn't listed? No worries, you can add it manually. To manually add a token, you need the token's mint address. This is a unique identifier for the token on the Solana blockchain. You can find this address on various blockchain explorers like Solcan or from the official website of the token. Copy the token mint address and paste it into the mint address field in your Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet will automatically fill the token details such as its symbol and decimals once you paste the address. After entering the mint address and verifying the details are correct, click on the Add button to finalize adding the token to your wallet. You will see a confirmation message and the token will now appear in your wallet's token list. And there you have it. That's how you add a token to your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on managing your crypto assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.